Wolo Sirius 2 Model 3570M-A. Sirius 2 is a magnet-mounted warning light that has two powerful 35-watt halogen bulbs, which are magnified by the two chrome reflectors. Each rotates 140 times per minute using two state-of-the-art heavy-duty permanent magnet motors, and is built with a center diamond-shaped mirror placed between the warning lights to produce true 360-degree visibility. Sirius 2 is designed for all weather conditions and is maintenance-free. The amber lens is made of strong polycarbonate and is replaceable. 3570M-A is easy to use and includes a 10-foot heavy-duty power wire with an on and off switch and cigarette lighter plug with internal fuse. Sirius is a registered trademark of Wolo Manufacturing Corp.